today I'm going to pull apart one of these ZR noise cans, the blue ones. See what kind of composition's inside, how much it weighs. The shell weight, we'll get that at first here. Fuse weight, burst weight, lift weight. We'll just see what's in there. The can is 162.4. Pull off the fuse next. Get that out of the way there. All right. Fuse, usually they're around 2, 1.5 to 2. .4, 1.5, let's call it 1.5 grams. Let's go to the burst. Just got to cut this cardboard disc off. And there's our lift powder. $13.8. That's a lot of lift. It's probably the most lift I've actually had in a shell. Most lift is less than 10 grams, but might not be that fast, so they use a lot. So now we'll get into the burst. Pull the cap off, and there's the clay on that end. There's the clay and the time fuse on that end. Not too much space left. Tape off. Guess we'll start digging into it. This might take a while, so I'm just gonna film the whole thing. Maybe fast forward it. Gonna make a mess everywhere. Grab a bowl here. Blade, but that's okay. Three-quarters of an inch to an inch. This one is a lot harder than other ones I've taken apart. Once you start getting closer to the composition, it actually, you feel it kind of break through, so I'm trying to get to that point, and then I'll be a lot gentler with this whole process. Still not there. That's pretty deep in there. I think I just broke through there. Yep, I can kind of see the silvery powder. Alright. Let's get it out in here. Try to get as less clay as possible. That's all of it. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but you can see the orange clay and the time fuse at the bottom there. We're at 31.7. Let me just add all these up real quick because I'm really bad at on-screen math. All right, that's 47 total. So it's a little bit lighter than the advertised 60 grams, but it's also not the typical composition. You can tell it's a little shiny, so there's definitely titanium in there. Give it that spark or snowball effect. But that's a blue ZR noise can taken apart, 47 grams.